Welcome to the ICT course. We are going to learn from the ICT Cambridge book. This is the book that we will learn from. Chapter 3, Storage Devices, Lesson Part, Memory Sticks, Pen Drives. So we will cover the title, Memory Sticks and Pen Drives, page 31. Let's start. The memory sticks or the pen drives are very popular because they offer large storage capacities. So, what are they good for? They are good for number 1, photographs, and number 2, music. Okay, so furthermore, the memory sticks and pen drives are more expensive per JB. So the higher the JB, the more expensive it is. And the memory sticks and pen drives are more expensive than the CD, DVD, and the hard disk. Also, the memory sticks and pen drives consist of printed circuit boards, which is enclosed in a plastic case. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of memory sticks. Let's start with the advantages of the memory sticks. Number 1, small and lightweight. So it is very small and easy to carry. Number 2, large storage capacity up to 256 JB, which is a lot of storage capacity. Number 3, no moving parts, so they are reliable. Now let's move to the disadvantages of memory sticks. Number 1, the small size means they are easily stolen. So because they are light and small in size, anybody can steal them. Number 2, they are often left in the computer by mistake and lost. So because they are small, people tend to forget them in the computers and they lose them. Number 3, they have lower access speeds than a hard disk. And now we have finished the memory sticks or pen drives part.